What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video. Okay, y'all, so in today's video, I am back with Unice hair on Amazon, and y'all, they really stepping and showing out. I don't care what nobody say. Y'all can fight me in the comments. Unice got the best hair out right now. I don't care what nobody say. The lace, the hair, everything, y'all. I barely even had to really fly iron this hair. I just wanted to, add my little touches to it. I barely had to I barely had to pluck this hair as well. Y'all, I don't know what it is. Like, I don't know who they got on their team now. But y'all, Unice, I mean, it was always good, but they have improved so much. It's not even funny. Y'all already know what I'm going to say about this hair. I highly recommend this hair. I love Unice. Nothing about this hair is bad, y'all. Nothing about this hair is bad. Everything is given. The lace, the silkiness. I believe I was sent a 20-inch 13x4 frontal. You guys know I have nothing but good things to always say about Unice hair. They've never failed me yet. And that is the reason why they're honestly my #1 favorite hair company out right now. Like, the communication BA1. Everything just BA1 with Unice. I love Unice. Like, literally, they have my heart forever. Forever. So y'all go ahead and go grab y'all this wig, y'all. I'm really falling in love with this glueless, no baby hair look. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. Like, I feel like I repeat myself all the time with Unice hair. If you never wore Unice hair, you're missing out. I'm gonna need y'all to go ahead over to Amazon and get y'all a Unice wig. I promise I will not lie to y'all. Like, Unice is just fire, y'all. So if y'all want this same exact wig, the link is gonna be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. Yeah. Shout out to Unice, y'all. Shout out to Unice. Okay, the same everything will be down below. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.